In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Cash App payment. Firstly, open your Cash App on your device, and on the Cash App home screen, locate and tap the Activity tab. This tab allows you to view all your Cash App transactions. Scroll through the Activity tab to find the specific payment you want to cancel. Tap on the payment you want to cancel. A menu will appear. Tap the dots icon located at the top right corner, and if available, select Cancel a Payment, and then press OK to confirm the cancellation. Just note that if the Cancel a Payment option is not available, the payment has likely already been completed. In this case, you won't be able to cancel it directly through Cash App, so you may need to contact the recipient to request a refund or reach out to Cash App support if the payment was unauthorized or made in error. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.